Hey guys, today we're going to be installing NixOS 2505, and we're starting out by just selecting the ISO from the Ventoy boot menu and selecting the default GNOME desktop for the installer. So you're going to watch it boot up into the installer here. So we have a live desktop here. It gives us this welcome to NixOS installer. And from here, we're just poking around a little bit. So we're in a live GNOME desktop. So first thing we want to do is change the display settings. Now, we want to change the GUI scaling. So we have a 4K display, and 100% is the text is going to be way too small for this YouTube video. So we're setting it to 300 just for the installer. So we're going to select our time zone. We're going to select English US, and we're going to type in our username. So like a real name and then an actual username, enter in a password, requiring strong passwords and no automatic logins or anything like that. So put in a regular password, and then we're going to add a password for the administrator account. So typing in a password right here. And it's really great how this installer is organized into different sections, and you can easily switch between them. Really great layout here. So moving on, we have a good selection of desktops that we can choose from. And like we have GNOME, KDE Plasma, XFCE, Pantheon, Cinnamon, Mate, Enlightenment, LXQT, Budgie, even Deepin, and you could even select no desktop at all, particularly good if you are setting this up as a server. So we're going to go with GNOME just because it's a good comparison. A lot of the other distros we've done recently, and see here, we're going to check allow on free software. And since a lot of the other distros I did recently, I've used GNOME as well. I just want to kind of compare it. So anyways, we're going to choose erase the disk because we're just going to wipe out everything that's already installed there. You can see down below it, we have the option to encrypt if we want to. We're not going to choose it. We're going to select swap with hibernate. And what that means is it's going to allocate enough swap space that you can hibernate. You need as much swap as you have RAM. Now that's going to be a lot because I have 32 gigs of RAM. And what we're going to see here, so you see here, it actually, it's going to require a 32 gig, or actually 34 gig swap partition. So that's a lot. That's a little bit excessive, and I don't actually care about hibernate. This is a desktop, not even a laptop. So we're going to go back and we're going to choose swap with no hibernate. This is the first time I've ever seen this option on an installer. And we have the option to encrypt if we want to. We're not encrypting at this time. Now you see the before disk and the after disk, which is also kind of neat. So here it is running through the actual installer. I sped this part of the video up, and here we go. We are done. Click restart now, and done. Now the system's rebooting. Here we go. The bootloader, it is going to boot up real quick. I sped that part up too, and here we are logging right into our newly installed system. And here we are. It's basically what you'd expect. You have the tour. We said yes to the tour. Then we're going to change display settings so we can actually see it. Here we're going to set it to 200 because I feel like that's actually good for desktop usage. We're going to click through the tour, but really just clicking next, next, next. Nothing exciting here. It's just the standard stuff. But that is about it. So, if you found this video interesting or useful, might want to give me a thumbs up. You're definitely going to want to hit that subscribe button because we have a lot more great content coming up. I'm going to be doing the review of this OS and a bunch of other distros as well. We're going to be doing a ton of Linux content, also Windows and Mac OS content. We're going to be doing hardware, software, electronics, Raspberry Pis, robots, all that great stuff. So stay tuned for that and make sure you are subscribed. Also hit the bell icon. But that is about it for today. We got this beautiful NixOS desktop. It's basically just a generic GNOME experience, but that's it. We'll see you guys in that next video.